Welcome to Science. Today we talk about bullet. Are you ready? Yeah, I'm ready. First, let's talk about equipment.
1. Bullet 2. Bullet cam
Number 3, retort stand. Number 4, the ion insert water.
5. Beaker 6. Glass funnel
7. Erlenmeyer flag 8. Potassium permanganate
First, you should make sure that there's no damage to any part of your bullet. The bullet device is inspected because it will prevent accidents while doing experiments and prevent equipment damage, and to ensure that there are no residues and to check that there are dust particles that interfere with the experiment. Second, you now need to clean your bullet. To do this, remove it from the cam thoroughly. Make sure that the stopcock is completely closed, and add some deionite to the top of the bullet. You want to hold the bullet with two hands to make sure it doesn't break. Making sure the water covers the entire inner surface of the bullet. Because the bullet must be completely clean, there must be no remaining solution on the surface of the bullet. Do this by holding the bullet with two hands to make sure it doesn't break, and thoroughly rotating it, making sure that the water covers the entire inner surface of the bullet.
Step 3. Lower the bullet to eye level.
Why lower the bullet to eye level? Because in order not to misread the amount of substance put into the bullet, if you look at the bullet above eye level, you may not be reading the amount of substance correctly.
4. Place the funnel on top of the bullet.
Why place the funnel on top of the bullet? Because use a funnel to put the substance into the bullet to avoid spilling. If you do not use a funnel, the substance may spill, which may cause danger to you.
5. Pour the solution into the bullet by lifting the funnel slightly.
Why? Because allowing air into the bullet causes the substance to flow faster due to air pressure. Before putting the substance into the bullet, the substance must be diluted with water. Use more water than the substance to dilute the substance. If not dilute, the substance will precipitate and become stuck in the bullet.
6. When finished pouring the solution, bring the bullet to the same level and place the beaker under the bullet.
Step 6. So that water can enter easily.
7. Let out a little water drain to prevent foam formation.
Step 7. So that there is no air in the bullet.
8. Reduce the liquid level below the zero line.
Step 8. To be able to read the volumes cleanly.
9. Take out the beaker, then detach the tip of the bullet and deflate it with an Erlenmeyer flag. with the tip of the beaker lower than the bottle. Take out the beaker and then the bullet tip so that the solution drifts out completely. 10. Position the bullet so that the handle of the stopcock on the same side as your dominant hand.
Step 11. To use a bullet, you must hold the stopcock with your non-dominant hand, and the handle should be between your palms. Wash your palms around the size of the bullet. The non-dominant hand should use the handle to turn off and off the tap on the bullet, because the dominant hand has to hold the aluminum facts and shake it all the time. Step 12. Record the initial volume in the bullet. The reason why the initial volume of the bullet should be recorded is because when liquid is released into the bullet, it may not be possible to tell how much the total volume of the liquid is released.
13. Roll an elemental fact with your dominant hand, then with the thumb with your non-dominant hand. Then roll the first so that the tip of the bullet is lower than the elemental fact. To catch elemental fact with your dominant hand because it allows you to pin the fact easily and so that the tip of the bullet doesn't smack the tube in the water. 14. When you have the desired something, close the frozen horizontally. To obtain the volume of the solution, tell me what is or any deviation. 15. Record the final volume.
Once you have finished using your bullet, make sure to drain the remaining solution. Do this to the tip and not the top. Then you will want to rinse it the same way before, only rinsing it first 3 times with tap water, then 3 times with the iron ice water. Step 16. You will then store it upside down. This prevents build-up from forming in the stopcock, and it also allows all of the water to drain. At the end of our experiment from the Matrium 5/11 group. Thank you and goodbye.